Hello, AMC students. So somebody was asking me to do some of these graph builder challenges, so I thought I'd try it out. So we're trying to make a horizontal asymptote of 2, and so that is this d because we got a plus d right there. And so if I slide that up to 2, you can see that it's now we've got a flat spot. It's flattening out at y equals 2, so we got to hit y equals 2. Now I want to make sure it goes through 0, comma 4. Um, and I want you to just kind of play with them. I mean, notice that no matter what I make the B happen, it does that guy's not moving the y-intercept around, so I can make that whatever I want. I kind of like 2. 2 is a nice even number to work with. So let's put you back at 2. There it is. C might get us there. You see, I can slide it. It's sliding that curve left and right, so it looks like if I knock it right there at C equals 1, we got it. But I could have also left C equals 0 and messed around with A, and you can see A is stretching it a similar sort of way. And I think if I make it A equals 2, you can hit it that way. So that's one way to do it. Let's try another one. So passes through 2, comma 1 and 3, comma 4, and has an asymptote on the x-axis. So I know I've got to keep D equals 0. I don't want my asymptote anywhere else. Okay, so we got to go through 2, comma 1. We're not there, and 3, comma 4. Let's just try and mess around with stuff. Um, I'm going to try to make this C value. You know, what I'm thinking is right now we're going through 0, comma 1. And I think the C value moves it left or right. And so if I just kind of put it right there, you see C equals -2. That's representing that I took 2 steps to the right there. So now it goes through 2, comma 1. Does it go through 3, comma 4? No, it goes through 4, comma 4. So maybe let's just mess around a little bit more. Let's see, can I get this to go through 3, comma 4? Oh, looks like we're almost there. And I think if I hit B equals 4, should be right on it. Now, why does that work? When you adjust the C value, it shifts things horizontally. So instead of it thinking about the y-intercept, it shifted it 2 steps over to be right there at 2, comma 1. Now, when b is equal to 4, looks like it slid off of 4. When b is equal to 4, that means I'm going to multiply by 4 for 1 step to the right. So I'm at a height of 1, then I'm at a height of 4. Everything seems to be working out just fine. I'll do one more. Okay, same sort of idea. We've got asymptote at x equals 2. That's actually an error. Shouldn't be x equals 2 because y equals gives you a horizontal. So this should say y equals 2. That's bad. Change that. Fix it. Let's make it y equals 2. Next unit we'll do asymptotes at x equals numbers, but not right now. What else? It's got to go through 2, comma 1 and 3, comma -3. Well, hold on. How can I get down into the negatives? That's got to be an a value. So now I've got a negative a value. That feels pretty good. Let's try -1. What are we trying to hit? 2, comma 1. Right now, we've got a y-intercept of 1. So I'm just going to slide that 2 steps to the right. Now we've got 2, comma 1. Right? 2, comma 1, right about there. And then here I got 3, comma 0. I want it to be 3 steps further down. Right now that's a drop of 1. I want that to be a bigger drop. Let's make our b value steeper, steeper, steeper. I think 4 would work. Now why does 4 work? The 4 represents getting 4 times further away from the asymptote every step. Oh, that doesn't work. I want to get to 3, comma -3. So I think I need to just get a little bigger. 5 should be good. I mean, why does 5 work? Because we were here, we were just 1 step below the asymptote. And then if we go 1 step further to the right, now we are 5 steps below the asymptote. So there you go. I hope you found that helpful.